Okay, today we see some more problems. If A is to B equal to 2 is to 3 and B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, find A square is to B square is to BC. To find A square is to B square is to BC, first we find out A is to B is to C. So what is A is to B? 2 is to 3. B is to C is 4 is to 5. So we fill this gap with the beside number 3 and we fill this gap with the beside number 4. This is the technique to find out A is to B is to C. A bit easy. So now we take the product. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So now what is the ratio? 8 is to 12 is to 15. Now they are asking A square is to B square is to BC. A square means what is A? 8. 8 into 8. A square is to B square is to BC means 8 into 8 64 is to B into B. 12 12s are 144 is to BC. B is 12 and C is 15. We see 15 into 12. 12 5s are 60. 12 1s are 12 and 6 18 means 180. So any cancellations are there, we check. So yes, some cancellations are there. So we do the cancellation. 4 will go in all the 3 parts. So 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. Next 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So any common factor is there? No more common factors. So A square is to B square is to BC is 16 is to 36 is to 45. This is the ratio. Now coming to the next problem. If A is to B equal to 4 is to 5 and B is to 6 equal to 6 is to 7, find A is to B square is to C square. Here also we do the same technique. First we find out A is to B is to C. What is A is to B? 4 is to 5. What is B is to C? 6 is to 7. We fill this gap with the beside number 5 and we fill this gap with the beside number 6. Now we take the product. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. Any common factors are there? No. So A part is 24, B is 30 and C is 35. You should find out what is A is to B square is to C square means A is only 24, 24 is to B square means 30 30s. 3 3s are 9, 900 is to C square 35 35s. 35 35s. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 17, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 5, 12, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 5. Any common factors are there? No. So this is the ratio. Next, coming to this example, if A is to B equal to C is to D, which equal to 2 is to 3, then find KA plus JC is to KB plus JD. So A is to B is equal to C is to D equal to 2 is to 3 means A is to B means what? A by B equal to C by D equal to 2 by 3 means A equal to 2, C also equal to 2. B equal to 3, D also equal to 3. These values we substitute in this ratio. Ka plus Jc is 2. Ka plus Jc is 2 means by Kb plus Jd means K into what is A? A is 2. K is 2 plus J is 2. What is C? That is also 2 by KB. B is 3 plus JC. JD, that is D. So from the numerator part we get 2 common. So K plus J. And from denominator part we get 3 as common factor. Again K plus J. So we cancel these 2. We get 2 by 3. We get 2 by 3. So Ka plus Jc is to Kb plus Jd. Ratio is what? 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So these are all simple problems, but you should learn. Here also one more example. If A is to B equal to C is to D and C is to D, which equal to E is to F equal to 3 is to 5. Similar means A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, which equal to 3 by 5. What is the meaning? A equal to 3, C also 3, E also 3. B is equal to 5, D equal to 5, F equal to 5. These values we substitute in the ratio, given ratio. So what is that? MA plus NC plus OE is to means by whole divided by MB. You can tell upon also. MB plus ND plus OF equal to, I substitute the values AC and E values. M into 3 plus N into 3 plus O into 3 by upon M into F plus N into M into 5 plus N into 5 plus O into 5. So we get from the numerator we get 3 as common factor, then M plus N plus O upon, we get from denominator 5 as common factor, again 5 into M plus N plus O. So both will be cancelled. This is 3 is to 5. What is this? 3 by 5 means 3 is to 5. So this ratio is 3 is to 5. Now coming to next example. If A is to B equal to 2 by 9 is to 1 by 3, B is to C equal to 2 by 7 is to 5 by 14, D is to C equal to 7 by 10 is to 3 by 5. Find A is to B is to C is to D. To find this value, first we will do the fractions we change into the integer numbers. First we all change these fractions to integers. So A is to B equal to what? 2 by 9 is to 1 by 3. So the LCM of these two, 9 and 3 is what? 9. So we equate the denominators. So we multiply this fraction with 3 into 3. Numerator with 3 and denominator with 3. We multiply the whole fraction with 3 by 3. Now what will we get? We get 2 by 9 is to 3 by 9. Means what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. Now we eliminate this 1. We eliminate the denominator part. Okay. Again we see the B is to C. B is to C equal to 2 by 7 is to 5 by 14. Here also the LCM is 14. So we multiply this 2 by 7 with 2 by 2. So then what will we get? 4 by 14 is to 5 by 14. So what is the ratio? 4 is to 5. So now we eliminate this denominator. Okay. So here the ratio is A is to B is to 3. Here the ratio is 4 is to 5. Coming to D is to C, 7 by 10 is to 3 by 5. Here you should see something difference. This is not C is to D, this is D is to C. So you should convert. Okay. First, what is the LCM? 10. Means we multiply this fraction with 2 and 2. Okay. Numerator with 2 and denominator with 2. Now we get 7 by 10 is to 6 by 10. Now what is the ratio? 7 is to 6. We eliminate the denominator part. This is D is to C. Now what is C is to D? C is to D is 6 is to 7. 6 is to 7. Now we find out what is A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is 2 is to 3. B is to C is 4 is to 5. C is to D is 6 is to 7. Now we have the gap here, here and here. We fill this gap with the beside number 3. Here also we fill this gap with the beside number 5. Here we fill this gap with the beside number 4. Here we fill these gaps with the beside number 6. Now we take the product. 2 4s are 8, 8 6s are 48. 3 4s are 12, 12 6s are 72. Next 6 5s are 30, 33s are 90. Here 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105. Any common factors are there? We see. Any common factors are there? Yes, 3 will go. In all these things 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are is to 3 2s are 3 4s are is to 3 30s are and 3 3s are and 3 5s are. Any more common factors? No. So now this is the ratio. 16 is to 24 is to 30 is to 35 is the ratio. Next. The ratio of two numbers is 3 is to 8. The ratio of two numbers is 3 is to 8 means let the numbers be. Let the numbers be what? 3x, 8x. The difference is 115. Difference means this is the difference. No need to write 3x minus 8x or 8x minus 3x. Just the difference. The difference is 3x difference, 8x is what? 5x. This difference equal to 115. Now x equal to 115 upon 5. 5 2s are 5 3s are 23 is x value. The larger number is, what is the larger number? 8x. Now 8x equal to 8 into 23. 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16. 18. So larger number is what? 184. 184. So this is the thing. Coming to the next problem. The ratio of two numbers is 10 is to 7. 10 is to 7 means let the numbers be. Let the numbers be. 10x, 7x. And the difference is 105. What is the difference? 10x difference 7x. That is what? 3x. which equal to 105. Then x equal to 105 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. So x is 35. The sum of the numbers is, you should find out the sum of the numbers. Means first you find out the numbers, then they take the sum. So first sum, first the numbers be. The numbers are, what are the numbers? 10x, comma 7x. 10 into 35, 7 into 35. This is 350 and this is 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24. So next the sum equal to 350 plus 245 equal to 595. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next example. The sum of two numbers is 30. Sum of two numbers, you don't know. Let the numbers be x and y. So their sum is 30. And the difference between them, their difference is 4. Find the ratio of two numbers. Means first we solve these two equations by adding. These two will be cancelled. 2x equal to 34. Now x equal to 34 upon 2, which equal to 7. The numbers. Now x is 17. So the numbers, x is 17 and one more is x plus y equal to 30. Now y equal to 30 minus 17, which equal to 13. One is 17, the other is 13. Find the ratio of two numbers. What are the two numbers? Sum of the two numbers is 30 and the difference between them is 4. Find the ratio. What is the ratio? This is their ratio. It's not ratio. Find the numbers. That's all. Find the numbers. We should find the numbers. We should find the two numbers. It's not ratio. So one is this, the other is this. So coming to this example, three numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4 and the sum of their squares is 464. Okay, these are in this ratio. Let the numbers be. Let the numbers be 2x, 3x and 4x. The sum of their squares means 2x whole square, 3x whole square, 4x whole square. This is the squares. Sum means you should add. Sum of the squares means this is the meaning. Equal to means 4x square plus 9x square plus 16x square, which equal to 16 plus 4, 10, 29x square. This is what? 29x square. This given that sum of the squares is 464 means this 29x square equal to 464. Now x square equal to 464 upon 29. Upon 29 means 29 how many times it is going? 29 ones are 29. 464. 29 ones are 29. 46 minus 29. 16. 7. 1. 174. 174 means 29 6 are maybe, because here the units place is 4, so I'm checking with the 6. 6 9s are 54, 6 2s are 12, 17, yeah. So 29 ones are 29 6 are, okay. So now x equal to square root of 16, which is 4. Your x is 4. What are the numbers? What are the numbers means 1 is 2x. 2 into 4, 8. Next is 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 4, 16. What is the smallest one? 8 is the smallest one. 8 is the smallest one. Now coming to the next problem. 3 numbers are in the ratio half is to 2/3 is to 3/4. The difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 36. The numbers are here. These fractions first we convert into the integer form. So 1 by 2 is 2, 2 by 3 is 2, 3 by 4. So what is the LCM here? 12 is the LCM. 12 is the multiple of all the 3. 2 6 times, 6 ones are 6. This 3 it is going 4 times, 4 twos are 8. This 4 twos are 8. 4 is going 3 times, 3 threes are 9. Now the ratio is 6 is to 8 is to 9. This is the ratio. And also given that the difference between the greatest and the smallest. What is the greatest? 9. What is the smallest? 6. Difference between means let it be 9x. 9x difference 6x equal to 3x. This is what? 36. Now x equal to 36 by 3, which is 12. Which is 12. Now what are the numbers? The numbers are, what are the numbers? One is 6x. The other is 8x. The other is 9x. So 6 into 12. 6 12s are 72. 8 into 12 is 96. 9 into 12, 108. So the numbers are 72, 96 and 108. First we convert this fraction form into integer form, then the difference we took, and with the x value, with that x value we found the numbers of the given ratio. Okay, now one more example. If 1000 rupees is divided between A and B in the ratio 5:3. This is simple. Maybe you'll get these problems from your 7th or 8th class. You'll get in those classes. Actually, we do. I don't have the right idea. Okay. So what is the A share? A share means A share is 5. So A share divided by, what are the total parts? 5 plus 3 into, so this A share from the 1000. So 8 ones are 8, 20, 8 twos are 16, 40, 8 fives are 125 into 5. 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 12, 5 ones are 5. So her share is 625 rupees. Simple bit. One more. If 81 is divided into 3 parts which are in the ratio 1 is to 1/3 is to 1/6, then the middle part is, what is the middle part? This is the middle part. This middle part they are asking what is the middle part. Okay. First this ratio we change into integer form. So now the LCM is 6 because 3 and 6, for this the multiple is 6. So here nothing is there, means 1. 1 is going 6 times. 6 ones are 6. And 3 2 times. So 2 ones are 2. 6 1 time. 1 ones are 1. So what is the actual ratio? 6 is to 2 is to 1. This is the actual ratio. So these are divided into these things. 81 is divided. So 6 is to 2 is to 1. What is the middle part? Middle part is 2. So middle part equal to 2 times of, what are the total parts? 9. 2 by 9 of 81. 9 9s are 9 2s are 18. So the middle part is what? 18. The middle part is 18. So in the next class we will continue. Okay.